Could there be some serious other financial impacts due to tariffs? Absolutely. We do know that historically, time in the market is much more powerful than trying to time the market. People talk about the markets all the time. Markets. What are the markets? I had a client here in the last couple of days who was talking about the market, but they're 30% equity. 70% of their money is not invested in the stock market. And so I said, what do you mean by the market? And they said, well, the Dow or the S&P or something like that. That's a small portion of your overall portfolio.
So the S&P 500 is 500 US large cap companies. The Nasdaq's 100 mostly tech-ish companies. The Dow's 30 large cap value companies, give or take. Most of those indexes, those three indexes are highly concentrated, especially the Nasdaq, right? Yeah. Magnificent Seven, where do they all live? I think they're all in the Nasdaq, right?
Even in the S&P 500, the top 10 stocks make up over 25% of the entire index. So you're not really diversified. So that's an interesting concept, is to make sure that your barometer or your metric, whatever you're comparing or digesting on a daily basis, is actually accurate and comparable to your portfolio. Because if you're looking at the stock market, it may be significantly more volatile than your portfolio. Therefore, you could be causing yourself unnecessary stress that you don't even need.